Good morning, all of you. Today we will start with the chemical properties of acids and bases. Before starting with the chemical properties of acids and bases, I would like to introduce acids and bases to you. So, what do you understand by acids and bases, and what is acids and bases? First, we will discuss about acids. Acids are those which are sour in taste and change the color of blue litmus to red litmus. Or we can say the acids are those which give H plus ion when they dissolved in water. For example, HCl and H2SO4. Now, what is bases? Bases are bitter in taste and change the color of red litmus to blue litmus, and we can say that bases are those which give OH minus ion when they dissolve in water. For example, NaOH, KOH, etc. Let's talk about indicators. What is indicators and why these indicators can be used? Indicators. Indicators are those which is used to test the compound is whether acidic or basic. There are two types of indicator present in an atmosphere: natural indicators and synthetic indicators. First we will discuss about natural indicators. What is natural indicators? Natural indicators are those indicators which present or which occur naturally in the atmosphere. For example, litmus and turmeric, etc. Now, synthetic indicators are those indicators which can be formed or made by humans. For example, methyl orange or a phenolphthalein. Now we will discuss about the another type of indicators, that is olfactory indicators. What is olfactory indicators? There are some substance present in a lab whose odor changes in acidic and basic media, and these substances are called olfactory indicators. For example, vanilla and clove, etc. Now we will move to the chemical properties of acid and bases. What happened when we react acids and bases with metal? First we will discuss about reaction of acids with metals. So when acid react with metal, we get hydrogen gas is liberated and we got salt as a product. So we take a reaction to understand this. When the 2 moles of HCl react with 2 moles of sodium, then we get 2 moles of sodium chloride and hydrogen gas as a product. Let's take another example, another reaction to understand this more. Let's take sulfuric 1 mole of sulfuric acid and a sodium, and we react. Then we get the sodium bisulfate and hydrogen gas as a product. Now we will discuss about the reaction of bases with metals. What we get when bases react with metals. So when base and metal react with each other, we get salt and hydrogen gas as a product. Now let's take in reaction to understand this. 2 moles of sodium hydroxide react with zinc metal, then we get sodium zincate as a product, and in this hydrogen gas is liberated. Now take in another reaction to understand this more. Uh, Sodium hydroxide reacts with aluminium, then we get sodium aluminate as a product and hydrogen gas is liberated. Now we will discuss about reaction of metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates with acids. Now when we react sodium carbonate with 2 moles of HCl, we get 2 moles of sodium chloride and water and carbon dioxide as a product. And when we react sodium hydrogen carbonate with hydrochloric acid, we get sodium chloride and water and carbon dioxide as a product. Now we will discuss about the reaction of metal oxides with acids. What happens when metal oxide reacts with acids? When metal oxide reacts with acid, we get salt and water. And now we will discuss about the reaction of acids and bases with each other. When acid reacts with base, we got salt and water as a product. Now let's take a reaction. HCl and when we react HCl with sodium hydroxide, we get NaCl, that is sodium chloride, and water, H2O. Now we will discuss about what happens when acids and bases reacts with water. First we will discuss about reaction of acids with water. Let's take an example reaction. When we react HCl with water, we get hydronium ion, that is H3O plus, and Cl minus ion. When we react hydrogen chloride with water, we get hydronium ion, and the hydrogen ion cannot exist alone, but they exist when they combine with water molecule. Thus, hydrogen ion can be shown as a hydronium. Now we will see what happened to hydrogen ion when it reacts with water molecule. When we react H plus ion with water, we got H3O plus ion. Now we will see what happened when reaction of bases with water occur. Sodium hydrogen oxide react with water, we get Na plus ion and OH minus ion. And from the above reaction, we understood that bases generate hydroxides ions in water, and the bases which dissolves in water are called alkalis. Now from the above reactions, we can understand this. We can say acids are those whose substance reacts with water and give H plus ion are called acids, and those whose substance reacts with water and give OH minus. Here I give some practical examples relevance. In our daily life, acids can be used as a flavoring agents, preservatives, and cleaning agent. And also, acids are found in a human body. And hydrochloric acid helps us to digest the food. Now we will discuss about bases, how bases can be used in a practical life or our daily life. Bases can be used in a cleaner, baked goods, and manufacturing also. Uh, we all know toothpaste. What is toothpaste? Toothpaste is basic in a nature, and it is used to neutralize the acidic effect. So here I got some questions to you, like, have you ever thought about these questions? So think and thought. Why the stain of curry on a white clothes become reddish brown when soap which is basic in nature scrubbed on it? And another question is, why is universal indicator is better indicator to use than litmus paper? So we will discuss on it on our next video. Thank you so much.